Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare error SU-34914. Right, so we're gonna talk about this much, so let's get started. So the mentioned error message, which is called cannot install SU-34914-1, is literally blocking you from preloading the game in Season 6, which is really irritating for most of the MW players, and where most of the PS4 console players are the common victims of this particular error. So we're gonna talk about how to fix this up. So if you're really eager to completely fix this issue, then you should delete the downloaded game files completely and re-download the update straightforward. As of now, there is no official solution available at but Activision or Infinity Ward team, and therefore you can try out the possible workarounds below if you want to stick with this error for a long time. So you have to simply delete, and if you have to reinstall, and if you have any updates you have to cancel it. You don't have to update it, just uninstall and go for a reinstallation right from the Modern Warfare options menu from the Blizzard launch. And once after that you just have to go there, and as you can see that once after opening the game, now if any kind of updates is available, as you can see that it is available right here, so you just have to go for updates. Upgrades are available, so you just have to go for updates, and you have to try it with that, right? You have to try it with that and check for the updates. So once after that, getting back to here, what you have to do is you just have to check for any kind of updates is available. So if you're having an update, you just have to update yourself, and once after that you just have to download the game, and now what you have to do, just have to reinstall it. There is nothing much. So as I mentioned, the error is all happening due to some reason. So unfortunately the entire process is that you need to re-download the full update, which can be frustrating for sure. I really understand, because you maybe get panicked why I'm saying this, but I have to say this: to fix this error, which means literally blocking you from preloading the game, you have to uninstall and go for a reinstallation. And if updates are available, just go for updates and install it, and most probably this can fix the issue up. Because I have seen some of the comments in the Reddit which people explain on this, which it worked and helped them. So even though it's going to take a little bit time, but you have to wait for it. So that's all about how to fix the Call of Duty Modern Warfare error SU-34914. So guys, that's all about it. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. And if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section, where we and team will get back to you. This is Shahin signing off from Get Shut Up, keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.